Curl the body up, pull in just right there. Try not to lose momentum. Rounding down. Last one. Exhale. Curl the body up, pull in, and take it past the toes. One more foot time, go all the way back down. Draw your knees into the chest. Drop. And curl the body up. Place your hands down beside your hips. Separate your legs up at distance. We're going into single leg teaser now. Lift the heels up. Extend the front leg straight out. And touch it down. The other side. Out. And touch it down. Now if you're really in for a challenge, it's not easy. Take the arms up. And then take the front leg out. And begin switching the leg. Switching it up. After tight, core is strong. Excellent control. Good. Two more. Last one. And bring both toes down. Place your